Yeah, let's get it. I got a pack. A pack. Today we're gonna be doing unboxing. I want you all to unbagging, unpackaging. Make sure y'all go subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yeah, we back again with another video. I'm your boy Bobby B. Make sure you like that button, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yeah, let's get it. I got a pack. I am doing a low-key promo with this online Instagram crew. So I wanted to come on and holler at my subscribers about what I got. That Sounds Gay. Collaborated with them, and the first shirt I got is a black tee with white writing. It says gay. Yeah. And then I got a white tee. Says sounds gay. I'm in. Yeah. And then I got a plain black tee with a heart that is rainbow. So yeah. So I just wanted to come on to my subscribers, let you all know what I got, what you could possibly purchase if you were to go see what you might like. You can definitely use my promo code and get you 30% off and look cute and look fly with these cute freaking shirts. So how about we try them on? So this first one I got was a medium. I wanted to like try mediums and small to see how the fit was. I like how it fits on my arms. Nice, comfortable tee. That Sounds Gay. Thank you so much for your participation, letting me participate in your brand and letting me rock your brand as a promoter and the collaboration that you're allowing me to do. I'm really grateful and humbled to let this be in my hands. Thank you all so much for participating in this video and checking out what I've been up to. Stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff in the works. Working on some trading. I'm doing, foreign exchange trading. I'm doing some Bitcoin investments. I'm starting an online store. I got my LLC. I'm also a licensed cosmetologist. So I just am really trying to do the best that I can to put my best foot forward so that I can be successful, upcoming 2021, because your boy ain't finna be left behind. Hopefully my YouTube and all my subscribers stick along with me for this journey, and this actually takes off for me as well. I'm just really looking forward to the change and transformation that's about to happen in my life. So I hope you all are prepared and buckled in for the ride, because it's about to go down, okay? Be sure you do go like and share, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the brand. Like their Instagram page. I put their information down here as well. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell. Love ya. I'm out.